Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change currency on Amazon. Here's how you can change the currency on Amazon web app. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and visit amazon.com. Once you get in there, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Now, once you're logged in and you get to the home page, go ahead and select any of the amazing products that you want to order. Once you click on the order, it's going to open up the product page. Or the product page, rather. Once you click on the product, it's going to open up the product page. Now, in the product page, you're going to see an option that says add to cart or buy now. So choose any of the options, and once you do that, it's going to take you to the checkout page, which we have in here. In the checkout page, you're going to see a couple of options, and one of them includes payment method. So you're going to have to choose a payment method here. Click on add your card and add your payment method. I cannot add a payment method, but then you really need to add that before you proceed to the next step. Now I'm going to show you what to do once you get in here. Now, from the payment method section at checkout, go ahead and select change. And from your list of payment methods, let's say you've added a payment method already and you want to change it. Select change beside the payment method. And from your list of payment method, select the payment method of choice or just go ahead and add a new one. Now, while on your payment method, select change card currency. Select my card is in a different currency and select the currency of your payment method from the list. Select use this payment method to continue. And that's it. So from your list of payments, select the payment method of choice or add a new one. And while on your payment method, you're going to see change card currency. Click on that. You're going to see my card is in a different currency. Click on that and select the currency of your payment method from the list. Select use this payment method to continue. And that's it. Your payment method will be changed to the currency that you have switched it to. Easy peasy. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.